Hey guys, today I'm going to check up. It's my checkup day for my skin and my eyes. So OTTD. This jersey from my little sis. This shirt from my little sis. Shoes, my little sis. Socks, my little sis. Let's go, guys. I'll be catching a bus. So guys, I'm not okay. I'm not okay, and I'm kind of sick, and it's late. Oh, you can see that I'm not okay. Guys, I am lost. I'm lost now. I'm using a map. I'm using my map to go through that. Oh, Sana. And I'm scared that they will steal my phone, but nah, man. God is with me. So yeah, let's get going. Oh man, I've been here. Oh, Sana. So what do you mean? So meaning I should take this way. Yeah, I'm taking this way. Yeah. Okay, let's get going, guys. Sana, this is the way. So I've been that side for a very long time. Guys, we are here. I mean, like, we are here. And that bus passed here. I don't know that I should put my glasses or not. And my skin, it's itchy because I'm sweating because of sweat. Hey guys, morning. Good morning in the morning. I'll be going back to rest. I'm done with home, and I'm done with home. Hi. So I hope you're all good. I was trying to do my lash. Khulekile sana. Like, so guys, let's go install my lashes. Let's go install my lashes. Can open. Yeah, with that. Are you inconveniencing anyone? Shut. You're still here. Okay, come on, I'm sticking here. Let me try to clean it on this side. When I'm not like one, I'm Thank you. Give me shake, give me shake.
The belts aren't you can do like
Oh, because
just temporary. So we might 3 days in we can last.
Okay, thank you. Guys, you guys been looking good, Lesaraboj. You guys been looking good, Lesaraboj. The plucking. We need to be plucked. What do you know, guys? How long manana? Don't wait for the occasions. Okay? You want to pluck a little bit of manana go look at good. But guys, I love what I see. I don't know about you, but I love this weave. I love this weave. And my new lashes.
Asiba santo go faja, pamtelele na, barakina wale lokola en. Mbempe ya netisa, mbempe ya la bisa makazi, mbempe ya la bisa, mbempe ya la bisa makazi. Doneta kalazi, doneta. Nikarele kukumbela nikarele Doneta kalasi doneta Nikarele kukumbela nikarele.
Hi guys, I hope you're all good. I hope you're well. Today I'm going to run errands. I'm gonna do a few things. Let's go with me.
Takeko asosumpaqe nokubungenza njalo nobungazama sozukwazibo ngoba uthando lami luhamba nami imihla nezolo nenhliziyo yami.
Hi guys, hope you're all good, hope you're well. I'm here to close up my vlog. I'm gonna close up my vlog here, and then I'm gonna shoot another vlog, move out vlog after this one. And so this week we are moving out. Yes, by the 17th of November we're moving out, unless otherwise. But yeah, I'm looking outside on the balcony and people are looking at me over the windows, but I gotta do this for you. So yeah, today I decided to wear my front hair with another marking. What is this? another hairband, another color of the hairband, and I went with gray. Guys, there's a lightning here. Ooh. So yeah, guys, lately I've been suffering from charger. My charger broke, and I had no charger for the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks plus. And I ordered a charger from Take a Lot, and it came back yesterday, and I found that I ordered a wrong charger. Ooh. Yeah, and so I sold it to my friend, and he's gonna give me the money, and I order again, and meaning I'm gonna change the address to home. So yeah, and what can I say? But yeah, man, I'm going home. I don't know how I feel. Like, I don't know how I feel about the fact that I'm going home, but yeah, at the end of the day, I'm going home, and but I promise that I'm not gonna stop giving you guys the video, the vlog. I'm not gonna stop to feeling myself. I'm not gonna stop, I promise. We made it to the end of the year. We made it, and yeah, guys, and I want to say thank you for being with me, for going with me, and yeah. Oh, next month is my birthday. I'm turning 21. But I don't feel any. I don't have any special emotions about it. But yeah, I mean, I'm turning 21, and yeah, and I mean, guys, I want to say I love you, and I want to say thank you for your support in this journey, and I know, man, and yeah, we'll see you on another vlog, another video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to give a thumbs up, and to press that ring bell, that notification bell, to notify you whenever I upload. I love you guys. Please stay safe, right, and pray for your own family for safety, right? Take safety precautions, man. When I see you next year, see, and I'll be in touch, guys. I'll be in touch. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, yeah, man. Bye.